Have you sent anyone to Bottom's house? Has he come home yet? No one's heard from him. I'm sure he's been kidnapped. If he doesn't show up, the play is ruined. It will go on, will it? No. It will be impossible. He's the only person in Athens who can play Pyramus. Definitely. He's quite simply the smartest working man in Athens. Yes, and the best looking too. And his voice is the paramour of sweetness. You mean paragon? A paramour is something bad. The dukes live in the temple. 2 or 3 more lords and ladies have been married too. If we'd been able to put on our play, we would have had it made. Oh, that great funny guy Bottom. He would have gotten a pension of 6 pence a day for his whole life. 6 pence a day would have been forced on him. I'll be damned if the Duke wouldn't have given him 6 pence a day for playing Pyramus. And he would have deserved it too. Pyramus is worth 6 pence a day or it's worth nothing. Where are my guys? Where are my good fellows? Bottom! Oh, how wonderful to see you. Oh, what a relief. My friends, I got some amazing things to tell you, but don't ask me to tell you what. I swear by my Athenian citizenship that I won't tell you anything. I'll tell you everything exactly as it happened. Tell Bottom. No, you won't get a word out of me. And I'll tell you is that the Duke has had dinner already. Now, it's time to get your costumes together. Find some good string for tying on your false birds, and grab new ribbons to decorate your shoes. Meet me at the palace as soon as possible. Look over your lines again. Our play is going to be performed for the Duke. So make sure Thisbe's wearing clean underwear, and make sure who's ever playing the lion doesn't cut his nails, because he needs them long to look like lion's claws, and no one needs any onions or garlic. If you have sweet smelling breath, I'm sure they'll say, it's a sweet play. Now no more talking, get busy, go!